Yo, what's up traders? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to look at two setups that formed the previous this session, the New York session, and I want to show you the two similarities that they have. So we'll start with US30. Now, of course, our process is still the same. We have the previous day's high and the previous day's low. All right. Now, when you look at this setup, the way it is, the market breaks down. This is during the London session. Breaks down and breaks down below the previous day's low. But we have this pump that started, well, it was during the New York session on Friday. Now, the first hour, and I tell you, I come to the market in the second hour. I let the first hour do its thing. So the first hour, as you can see, before the first hour begins, 30 minutes before the market pins the low. So I'm asking myself, where's the money? When this market is falling, the money, of course, is up here. But when we're coming down, where's the money? The money is where? This is where the money is. Where the pump began. This is where the stops are. So if they had not pinned that, even in my journal, when I write these things, I'm telling myself, I must see the prices come back to this low to take back the money. And then they break structure. They break structure in the first hour. So I know we've already taken the money and we've broken structure. So what am I expecting? I'm expecting a retest to the low for the continuation. Alright? Now, we go to the 1 minute time frame. And this is where things get interesting. So, this is the first hour. Alright? We have nothing except we have this now trend line. We know the market is going up, so we can follow this trend line up to where the market comes to retest it. Now remember, this strategy does not work on every setup. This is a specific setup that pins the high either during the first hour and gives you a nice trend line. There are those that will move in explosive moves. We'll look at them in other videos. This is a setup that gives you a trend line. Now, this is where the magic happens. So, the market, as it comes back again to retest, we are waiting for the retest. At 9:30, the market pins the trend line. And then price rejects this 33,500. So the double zeros have been rejected and gives us an engulfment. So we have this engulfment. All right. So my entry, let me show you my entry. This was my entry after this candle closed. This was my entry. I was expecting the market to come back to the 25, the quarter level, but this is an exploding market. So if I enter here, my stop will be below somewhere here, as you can see. Anyway, the point is that the market gives us an engulfment at 9:34. So our entry is somewhere when it is retesting this engulfment. So that is your entry. Your target is simple, 50 pips. Well, now this is 500 pips in US30, but you know, it's a nice risk reward ratio of 1:2. Simple, in and out. Now, I also got in on a trade in gold, but I got stopped out, and it was my mistake. Well, everybody makes mistake in the market. all you have to do is learn and adapt. So let's look at gold, and let's look at the mistake I did and how the correct way to actually enter the market. So as you can see, we have our previous day's high, that is Monday's high, and our previous day's low, which is insignificant right now. After the market, as you can see, the market breaks above the, what do we call this, the high of the day, but gives us an M pattern and a break of structure. So this is an already broken down market. So what am I looking for? I'm waiting for the retest to give me a continuation. This is 1 push, 2 push, 3 pushes. So I'm waiting for the last push. Now, remember, we want to buy low and sell high. Now, the mistake that I did, let me show you. So the first hour gives us the first hour gives us the high and low of the session, which is okay. But this is the mistake that I did, and please don't, let me show you. Hope it will open faster. But oh yeah, it has opened. Yes, this was my entry. I thought after 9:30, after this engulfment, I thought it had already finished its retracement. But where is the confirmation? You see, just like in US30, I should have waited for the market to give me confirmation. Now, as you can see, the first hour gives us this trend line. Right? The first hour gives us this trend line. Now, unless the market reaches this region, then there is no way I should have gotten in the market. Again, this was a pump forming, a pump to the high. And then this is level 1, level 2, level 3. Three levels of rise, and then we have a 1 push, 2 push, 3 push for the move down. So just by the trend line to give me a place where the market should come and retest, should have given me a hint. Again, 3 levels of rise. This was the, well, we are following the procedure: pump to the high, break of structure, retest, engulfment at 10:09. That is your entry. You know, you can go up to where the pump began. Your 40 pips in and out. So this is a lesson well learned today, and yeah, hopefully you are understanding what I'm understanding. So the thing that this setup, the gold and US30 have in common, is the fact that they gave us a way to actually come and retest. They gave us the trend line in alignment with our original, strategy. We are not changing anything. We are just adding a confluence to help us, be more confident with our trade. Anyway, hopefully you got value from today's video. Stay disciplined, stay focused. Yeah, may the markets go with you. See you tomorrow, or when the market gives us another good setup. Have a nice day.